Hello everyone. For use find and replace in Google Slides, first on the top menu, click on Edit. From this menu, click on Find and Replace. Also, you can use shortcut Ctrl+H on Windows, Command+H on Mac. Click on it. Now, in first box, write that word you want to find. For example, as you see, there are two results for this word. If you click on Next, you can reach to any result, and with Previous, you can back to any result you want. Also, in the second box, write that word you want replace with. For example, I want replace with check. And now we have two options. First, replace. If you click on replace, that word will be replaced to just this result. And if you click on replace all, that word will replace to all results in any slide. For example, I want replace to all. Click on replace all. As you see, now there is zero result and all tests replaced with check. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.